National Weather Service in Charleston, Ohio has issued a tornado warning for Charleston, Ohio, until 3:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 9:34 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a tornadic thunderstorm was located near Meigs, moving Lawrence at 10 miles per hour. Hazard: deadly tornado and ball-sized hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impacts: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southwest Lawrence. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
This is CTV News serving in Calgary. Health Canada has detected the new virus, the name known as OLH22. It was straight from Ohio, which is the dangerous American virus. Do not interact the virus as you may face certain death. Over a few days ago, the zombies has strayed to US-Canada border, and they're attacking for their living. At this time they become a zombies and acting weird. All Canadians of affected areas. The following affected areas are Grand Prairie, St. Albert, then Calgary and Edmonton. And we have an emergency alert for more details. Please stand by. We will continue for more updates.
This is an Alberta emergency alert. Event type is admin. The zombies are straight from Ohio are expected to attack Canada, including Alberta. This alert is in effect for Grand Prairie, St. Albert, Calgary and Edmonton. All remaining residents of these affected areas are advised to move shelter immediately. Move to reinforced room or basement or attic. Bring battery-powered radio, food, water, and other essential supplies with you for extra bonus. Lock and reinforce all doors and windows. Turn off heating and air conditioning systems. Close fireplace dampers. Seal and cracks with tape, damp clothing, or damp towels. For details, www.emergencyalert.alberta.co. Stay tuned to local media.
Diese Nachricht wurde auf Anfrage der deutschen Bundesregierung übermittelt. Das Europäische Zentrum für die Prävention und die Kontrolle von Krankheiten hat festgestellt, dass das neue Virus aus den Vereinigten Staaten stammt. Das Virus ist bekannt als OLH-Homograph Start 22 Homograph End. Das verwandelt jeden in Zombies und benimmt sich komisch. Alle Deutschen sind voreingenommen, eine Notunterkunft zu suchen. Verstärken Sie sofort alle Türen und Fenster. Schalten Sie je nach Markenunternehmen alle Lichter oder Lichtquellen aus. Umzug auf den Dachboden oder Keller oder verstärkten Raum. Bleib ganz ruhig. Mach keinen Lärm. Die Zombies könnten hinter dir hier sein. Alle Kanäle in Deutschland haben aufgrund einer globalen Katastrophe aufgehört zu senden. Bringen Sie ein batteriebetriebenes Radio mit und bleiben Sie dran.
Please stand by. The power supply is slowly limited at this moment. The following message has been transmitted by the request of in Singaporean government. Over 25 minutes ago, many people arrived from America. The different US state was located from Ohio at this moment. They are snappy weird and became zombie and attacking for a living. All Singaporeans are advised to move shelter immediately, lock all doors and windows, shut off heating and air conditioning systems, turn off all lights, stay quiet, vigilant and calm, make sure you can protect yourself, such as melee weapons or guns, do not evacuate Singapore. Zombies can run really fast. Bring battery-powered radio with you and don't panic, and stay prepared. The following message has been transmitted by the request of Australian government. A few days ago, Department of Health has detected the new virus, abruptly named OLH22, which is the dangerous American virus. The symptoms of virus include coughing, sneezing, diarrhea, muscle fatigue, fever, body temperature to 69 or higher, shortness of breath, slurred speech, blurred vision, sneezing out blood, changing color from human skin to dark green, color blindness, schizophrenia, red eyes, confusion, memory loss, amnesia, IQ changing from exact IQ to 0 IQ, and certainly death. If you see someone has experienced the virus, euthanize them immediately. Failing to do so will cause certain death. All remaining Australians of these unaffected areas are urgently advised to move to reinforced room, or attic, or basement, and barricade all doors and windows to avoid zombies coming after you. To protect yourself, make sure you can grab melee weapons or armed guns. All TV and radio stations are roughly ceased to broadcast. Bring battery-powered radio and stay vigilant.
다음 메시지는 한국 정부와 보건복지부의 요청에 의해 전달되었습니다. 며칠 전 미국에서 한국 공항으로 향하는 일부 감염자들. 보건복지부는 새로운 바이러스를 발견했습니다. 상기 바이러스는 OH22로서 확인되었다. 바이러스는 모든 사람을 좀비로 만들고 이상하게 행동하는 능력이 있습니다. 남아있는 모든 한국인은 즉시 대피소로 이동하는 것이 좋습니다. 강화된 방으로 이동하십시오. 모든 문과 창문을 바리케이드 하십시오. 자신을 보호하려면 근접 무기나 총을 잡으십시오. KBS를 포함한 모든 TV 및 라디오 방송국의 방송이 중단됩니다. 배터리로 작동하는 라디오를 가져와서 한국인을 경계하십시오.
The following message has been transmitted by the request of South Korean government and Ministry of Health and Welfare. Few days ago, some infected people from America towards South Korean airports. Ministry of Health and Welfare detected the new virus. The virus was identified as OLH22. The virus has the ability to turn everyone into zombies and acting weird. All remaining Koreans are advised to move shelter immediately. Move to reinforced room. Barricade all doors and windows. To protect yourself, grab melee weapons or guns. All TV and radio stations, including KBS, will be ceased to broadcast. Bring battery-powered radio with you and stay vigilant, Koreans.
以下のメッセージは日本政府の要請により送信され、数週間、感染者はアメリカから日本の空港に向かっています。この瞬間、彼らはゾンビになり、奇妙な行動をして、非常に遠くまで攻撃します。説明のつかないことなので、アメリカの CDC は OLH22 として知られる新しいウイルスを検出しました。このウイルスは、すべての人をゾンビに変え、奇妙な行動をする能力を持っています。このウイルスの症状には以下が含まれますが、これらに限定されません。咳、くしゃみ、下痢、筋肉疲労、発熱、69度以上の体温、息切れ、ろれつが回らない、目がかすむ、くしゃみで血が出る、人の肌から濃い緑色に変色する、色覚異常、統合失調症、赤目、錯乱、記憶喪失、正確な IQ から 0IQ への IQ の変化、そして確かに死。ドイツから来たという新しい変種があります。ドイツ語のバリアントの症状は、殺人、テレポーテーション、野生動物のように振る舞う、話すことができない。不眠症、襲名、過唾液分泌、吸血鬼が、残りのすべての日本居住民間人は、直ちに避難所に移動することを強くお勧めします。 すべてのドアと窓をバリケードし、補強します。すべての暖房及び空調システムをオフにします。パンダのライトや光源を含むすべてのライトをオフにします。携帯電話の塔は切断されており、ゾンビによって損傷を受けています。電池式ラジオなどの必需品を持参してください。在留邦人の皆さん、気をつけてください。
Following message has been transmitted by the request of Japanese government. Over the past few weeks, infected people is straight from the America towards the Japanese airports. At this moment, they become zombies and acting weird and attacking really far. Since it's inexplicable, the CDC from America detected a new virus, the name known as OLH22. It has the ability to turn everyone into as zombies and acting weird. The symptoms of this virus include, but not limited to, coughing, sneezing, diarrhea, muscle fatigue, fever, body temperature to 69 or higher, shortness of breath, slurred speech, blurred vision, sneezing out blood, changing color from human skin to dark green, color blindness, schizophrenia, red eyes, confusion, memory loss, amnesia, IQ changing from exact IQ to 0 IQ, and certainly death. There is a new variant that it comes from Germany. The German variant symptoms are homicidal, teleportation, acts like a wild animal's, inability to speak, insomnia, photophobia, hypersalivation, and vampiric hunger. All remaining Japanese residential civilians are strongly advised to move shelter immediately. Barricade and reinforce all doors and windows. Turn off all heating and air conditioning systems. Turn off all lights, including panda lights or any light sources. Cell towers are now either disconnected and it's damaged by the zombies. Bring some essential supplies, including battery-powered radio. Please stay vigilant, all Japanese residential civilians.